Mike Hughes here. I'm diving with Turtles and Suzette, and I'm in Borneo. And you want to tell us about the diving off of there, especially where you're off of by the Sea Adventure?
Yeah, well, we're a converted rig, so because we, a rig in the sea.
Oil rig.
Was a converted
Used to be.
oil rig. It used to be an oil rig, and now we use it for diving. So it's a jacked up platform set in the middle of the sea, and it's become an incredible house reef. So when you come out there, right, the great thing about
but it's nice about that because that oil rig it has its own reef.
It has its own reef.
And it has its own muck diving right at the bottom there.
Right.
And
so
then
it's been rated among the top 100 dive sites in the world. The house reef itself of Seaventures. So it's like a bonus. When you come to Seaventures, right, you live and you dive on a dive site.
On the dive site.
And then you get to go to other dive sites.
By boats that come up.
So when you go to other resorts or other places, you pay. Seaventures dives, the dive site of Seaventures is a paid dive site. You need to pay, you got to pay a boat to take you there. Whereas if you dive with Seaventures, right?
You're already there.
You're already there. So then the boat takes you to see three other dive sites, right? So you actually get to see one more dive site.
Cool. And plus you can do it right off a night too.
You could do it right off at night, although not because of security issues. They would advise no diving after 8. But then it's pretty dark. So if you dive after
6 or
5,
7,
6, it's still good. So that's still good. You can wake up early in the morning at 6 and still do your early morning dive. So
cool. That works. And so if they want, I was going to ask, how many divers do they have there on the rig itself at a time?
Let's put it this way. Because it's restricted, it's kind of like a live and board. It's not too big. We wouldn't want too many. I'd love to have a lot of people, but I think too many people on it makes it a bit uncomfortable. So we try to max it out at 50. So at any one time, there should only be 50 divers, although we could take more, but.
And a nice coastal view, too.
You get you get the best view. Because if you stay at Marble, all you get to see is this metal thing in the sea. But if you stay on Seaventures, you get a 360-degree view of the sea and Marble Island and pretty water chalets, right?
Perfect. And if they want more information about diving there?
Well, if they want more information, they can always email us. We're on the website. We're on Instagram. We're on Facebook. Drop us a line.
Is that seaventures.com or?
www.seaventures.com.
Dive.com. Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.